Hello everyone. My name is Gosia. I'm a co-founder of Fena, and today I'm going to talk about an interesting subject for quite a few sellers that sell subscription products or sell membership products. So I'm going to talk about recurring payments. So what are recurring payments? So effectively are types of payments that repeat on a regular basis, and those could be a subscription for payments for goods or services. It could be membership fees. It could be some sort of annual fees for a certain products or services. In some cases, if you have regular billing of some sort, for example, it could be a mobile bill or similar. They usually are the same amount being taken from your bank account every month. So those are recurring payments that are taken from your bank account on an ongoing basis. So open banking in this current form offers one type of recurring payments, and those are standing orders. And standing orders are effectively a mandate that you, as the owner of the bank account, you give to your bank for them to execute on your behalf. So for instance, you can tell your bank, please do set up a standing order for an amount of £10 that will be collected every month on the 10th day of every month, and that standing order will go to a specific bank account. For example, you might be a member of a certain group, and to be a part of that group you pay this £10 per month. And how you can actually, as a seller or as a business, take advantage of those recurring payments built on open banking. So first and foremost, you can add recurring payments to your checkout. For instance, if you sell subscription services, you can add it to your checkout and you allow people to set up repeated payments using open banking. If you're a gym, for instance, and you need to collect a gym membership every month, every week, every quarter, whichever way you're billing your customers, you can do that as well. And you can set up a special payment link for people to complete, and then on the given day, the money will be taken from the bank account and deposited onto your bank account as a bank transfer, as a standing order bank transfer. Why would you want to look into recurring payments built on open banking as an option for you? I think the main reason why would that be is because of the cost. Subscription payments offered by either direct debit or card on file are really actually expensive. They often come with some sort of minimum fees or fees that are equivalent to 3-4% of the transaction value. And if your subscription has not much of a margin or you are cost conscious, you might want to look into open banking recurring payments. It's quite easy for people to set up those recurring payments. Also, it avoids quite a lot of errors. So I give you an example. We have customers that use direct debits, but how they collect information for direct debits, they literally ask people to fill in their sort code and account number on the form, on the web form. Often it happens that people misspell the sort code or misspell account number and the payment fails. And this is not great for the merchant, because there's a lot of admin costs attached to it of chasing those payments. With open banking, what happens is you tell us, please collect, let's say, £20 on the 10th of each month from this, basically, and deposit it onto this bank account. And we, as a provider of open banking payments, will generate a link. That link can be sent to your customer, can be embedded onto your checkout, and when the customer gets confirmation, they see, I'm going to pay this amount of money every month on this day to this bank account, and then they select which bank account they want to pay from. So for instance, I've got a list here, I've got a little image helper here. You can see they can select various banks. For example, they select Santander. They are now taken to the Santander banking app. They confirm this payment on Santander banking app. They get a confirmation of that payment, and we get redirected and successful setup of standing order. And you know that in that case that standing order has been set up. You know that the account details are correct, and you know that on this day that amount of money will be taken from your customer bank account and deposited onto your bank account. So that's kind of the main thing. You might ask, okay, it's a standing order. How do I know that I will receive those payments on a regular basis as per, request I send to my customers? What we do, we allow you to connect your bank account that you receive those monies onto, using our data APIs, and we monitor the transaction and we match the reference number of that standing order with the reference of the bank transfer that arrives onto or transaction that appears onto your bank statement. And by matching those, we confirm that you actually receive that payment onto your bank account. If the payment for some reason is missed or cancelled, we'll alert you, so then you can either stop the service to your customer, or you can chase your customer for payment. I think that's kind of the main overview of recurring payments on open banking. When it comes to type of customers or type of businesses, let's say type of businesses that this recurring payments built on open banking could be a good fit for, I would think any businesses that have a set subscription and it's collected within a given period of time. So like gym membership, perfect business to use recurring payments on open banking. Could be magazine subscription as well. It could be membership fee, private members club fees, golf fees, for example, if you're a member of any golf club as well. And if you have a subscription as well for some sort of goods that you sell online as well, that could be an interesting. So if you know that every month you sell a bottle of, I don't know, a serum for anti-wrinkling serum or similar, you can sell that as a subscription, and you can use open banking and recurring payments to collect payments for that specific subscription. I think that's kind of a good summary of what recurring payments or repeated payments built on open banking are. If you're interested in demo of that specific feature, please do email support@fena.co. You can also reach me on LinkedIn under Gosia Furmanik at Fena. I'm there. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. Also, as always, you can leave comments in the comment section. Please thumbs up, and I'll see you soon.